Very good. Okay, team one. Team one, choose your number. Another hand. Team one. Number three. What sport is this? Yes? Okay, swimming. Very good. Your answer is correct. Swimming. Okay, team one. Choose your number. Yes? Okay. Number six. Okay. What sport is this? Okay. What sport is this? Okay, team one, you can help. Help your team. Help. Again? Huh? Mountain climbing or climbing. Number. Team two, boys at the back. Team two. Choose your number. Choose your number. Yes, no? Yes, you. Choose your number. Number five. What sport is it? Okay, yes, you can answer. Yes? Okay, very good. Your answer is bowling and it's correct.